Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Gate Academy. The Gate Academy had come up with a grand giveaway. The entry point for the grand giveaway is going to be a scholarship test, which is going to get conducted on 10th of October at 8 p.m. The registration would get closed on 9th of October at 4 p.m. You can use this link to reach to our registration page. Keep in mind, this grand giveaway is being applicable for all of the branches with which the Gate Academy deals. Either it's been the electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical, civil, chemical, IT, computer science. Let me focus over the giveaway. What are the different hot selling products we are going to provide as a giveaway? If your rank is been 1 to 10, the smart course, which has been the most hot selling product of the Gate Academy, and the online test series, one of the best online test series platform in India, would be given free, absolutely free. If your rank is been in between 11 to 30, the test series and the dopamine 555 is going to be absolutely free. What does it mean by the dopamine 555? That you can see in our main channel as well. If your rank is been in between 31 to 100, 70% off would be provided over the existing price of the test series. And yes, the dopamine 555 would be given only and only with the amount of 555 with GST. If your rank is been in between 101 and 400, 50% flat off would be given on test series. And if your rank is been above 400, 40% off would be given on your test series. I would recommend to each one of you, now you have reached to the critical stage of your preparation, and test series has been a very important part of your preparation. So if you're not following anywhere, no, still you will be following here. And here the 40% off would be given on your test series. Such a huge amount of effort we had been putting over the test series. Definitely, once you'll sit in our test series, no, you will enhance your level. And let me describe the pattern of the paper. Keep in mind, total 25 number of questions we are going to have. The span of the paper is going to be 1 hour. 20 number of questions are going to be MCQ. 3 number of questions are going to be numerical answer type. 2 number of questions are going to be MSQ, multiple select question. As far as the syllabus is being concerned, you can see very well in engineering mathematics, only we are going to ask the 3 topics, and they had been linear algebra, probability, and calculus. So you need not to focus anywhere else apart from this. Next, in general aptitude, we had been focusing over the numerical ability and reasoning only. In general aptitude, we had been focusing over the numerical ability and reasoning only. That means we are not going to ask any problem related to the English at all. So probably this had been the best offer which we can provide to you guys. Definitely you should avail this offer and prepare for the best. Is that part clear? Thank you. Thanks a lot.